Claas congratulates the Vanderloop equipment team for its well-deserved recognition. For more than 25 years, Vanderloop has been one of the leading retailers of Claas Jaguar forage harvesters throughout the U.S. We at Claas are proud to be part of the Vanderloop team.
I mean, it's all being talked about, obviously, with all the manufacturers, whether it's Deere, AGCO, Claas, or New Holland. I'm sure that they're all talking about it and all trying to figure out how to get their Deere's, ahead of everybody by 10 or 15 years. So, they want, they want a certain dollar volume, and we need to have that volume to be relevant. But we need to do that profitably, and that's, we can get to that volume, but we can't. We need to do it, profitably. And if you don't have that profitability, they're going to have a hard time finding investors to invest in a dealership if it's, if you don't have a return on investment. We're switching from a function-driven management where we have a manager, parts, service, and sales management for one, and then they manage all three locations. We're switching to more of a store-managed approach where we'll have a location manager that's responsible for the parts, service, and sales functions. But with that being said, we still need to have commonality, because with our stores being 30 miles apart, a lot of time, or 60 miles, a lot of times, a technician might come from one of the other locations, and that customer needs to get the same experience from all three locations. So we have to have that system set to where they're going to get the same recommendations, they're going to get the same feeling. So whether we bring a machine in for winter service that comes here or goes to one of the other stores, our process has to be the same. This is what we inspected, this is what we do, this is what we recommend. It's still somewhat of a hybrid, I guess, if you want to say, because between Kerry, Mark, and myself, we're still, making sure that the parts systems are running the same, and the service, systems are running the same. The processes are the same. So whether it's the warranties and how the warranty receivables are being tracked and maintained, our 5-year goal is to increase volume considerably. So we probably double in volume in 5 years, and we're a year or so into that. So we have big growth expectations. Can we grow within the footprint of what we have today? For sure. Especially with the manufacturers wanting to try to operate more, out of remote than out of brick and mortar. But, what we need in Wisconsin and what they can get away with in Texas or, Kentucky or wherever is different. We have 10 degree below zero winters, and it's going to be a little bit more challenging to work out of the service trucks than